this Tuesday, June 30th, 2026. I always got to look at the mirror.
You gotta start looking at it before.
I know. Oh. We got, let's see what we got going on here. Get off of that. Let's go here and there we go.
Got it.
Yeah, having some small technical difficulties here, but there we go. There we go.
All right.
Who was having some light small difficulties?
I'm trying to see if this is a fake breakout here. Because if we start lining up right above here, that is a fake breakout, and it may come down.
It may come down.
But let's see though.
Yo.
Okay, so we are looking to get, what's the next target area? Okay, that's to get.
Okay. We got news at 9. Let's go and talk about the market for a second. We had a huge breakout to the upside. We got the 15-minute orb right here. We broke out of the 15-minute orb. We have news in about 6 minutes. The market consolidated as usual, right? We had the consolidation of London and a consolidation of Asia. All right, we got consolidation of London, consolidation of Asia, and we just been pretty much going sideways. We had an upward turn up, but we just pretty much consolidated. This is the 15-minute chart. So we broke out the orb, and we go wait on news and see what news does. And the next target, and if you look at the hourly, let's go to the hourly. We matched up with here. So you can see we matched up with here. We broke out. The next target to be up here at 30,700. That'll be the next target. 30,700. That looked like that's possibly where she going. 30,700 or maybe 30,000, 31,000 all-time highs is way up here at 31,000.
Yeah.
Way up here at the top. So this is the end of the month candle because this is the last day of the session of this month. So are we gonna rally all the way to the top? Because we do have the weekly high way up here. We got weekly high, weekly low, weekly high up here. We already broke the daily high.
Oh yeah, look at that weekly there.
Yeah.
That sucker going.
Yep, yeah. So we going all the way up to the weekly high if you look at it.
Yeah.
The weekly high up there. So if we hit the weekly high, the only problem I got with this, if you look at this, and this is something that really concerned me about this, is that if you look at the weekly low, it don't have a wick.
Yeah.
That means that next week candle, we may have this huge pullback all the way back down here. We don't have a wick.
This looks set up.
Yep.
We may be doing a continuation be on the upside. Because the 4 hour stuff, that's what it's kind of set up, like it's set up to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything on a higher time frame. It will be a continuation.
Yep.
And
mean, she extending way up there.
Yeah, that 15-minute look like it's ending pretty good too.
Yo, and 5 minute don't have a wick, so 5 minute don't have a wick. So we gotta see.
Let's see, we still got 3 more minutes, and 2 more minutes in it. I mean,
Yeah, it's gonna be tough to trade, taking it. This thing is so extended up. I would like for
let's
it
see
to.
what kind of pullback retracement
Yeah,
we might get.
yeah,
We might retrace to about the 50% for
about
a week.
50%. Yeah, because we right outside the orb, and you know how this is. It could be an old fake out all the way back down to the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I think news go do something.
You say you think news gonna make it?
Yeah,
type
news
of something?
go do something.
What kind of news is it we getting?
We getting jobless claims. So I think see the health of the economy through the jobs. So it's gonna be pretty
That's a
interesting.
5-minute chart.
It's a 5 minute chart. I just would like for it to not be so extended high like this, bruh. Because we know what goes up like this must come down. So
Well, that may mean that there's gonna
yeah,
be a correction candle. Then.
it may be a correction
Very
candle.
then.
Yep, I think the 9 o'clock may be a correction candle. So we had the 8 o'clock candle. 8 o'clock candle. Oof.
Let's see what this 30-minute looks like.
Yeah, that's the
been
8 o'clock.
trending up for 30 minutes. Whoa.
That 30, look at that. Yeah. We got to get some kind of retracement, man. All right, we 9 o'clock. This is news. All right.
Okay, we're pulling back to where? Do the field at the top of that.
Now, what I would like for it to do is go up a little bit, get its wick, and then come down. I mean, they do have a tiny wick on it. May come down all the way down to the orb.
I think so. Yeah, because the last one didn't have a wick on the bottom, too. The last 5-minute candle didn't have a wick on the bottom, so let's see what we pull back to. The 23, the orb.
Yeah, we may pull back to the
If
orb.
we go, we shouldn't go down to 50%. If we go down to 50%, that's in the Asian and London zone.
Yeah.
Let's see. Approaching the 23.
Yep.
Okay. All right, breeze to 23. Approaching the orb.
Yep.
Let's see if we tap the orb. Yeah, it's slightly touched. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. And there we go. Squeezing up. Now let me jump on that 2 and then 1 minute and see what that looks like. If we get a tail here,
Yep.
this would be an entry.
Entry. Yep.
But we need this to engulf there. Okay, look, we got a little tail, a little crazy looking tail, but let's see.
Maybe entry to the high side right here.
Yeah, but look, we want to let it get equal up
Yep,
here.
up here,
and
yes.
when we get up,
When we break out.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it might be an entry we break out.
Okay. Let's see. We're gonna break out in that.
Okay. Are we
Almost
looking ready?
time, huh?
Almost time.
Okay, I just want to see it break above that. Yeah.
I'm in.
You were too quick on the draw or what?
Let's see.
Let's see. And which candle you're under?
Let's see. And profit.
I am at 505. 509.
509.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
30,000.
Okay.
509 right there.
Okay, I see where you at.
Yeah.
Right there.
I don't like how we ain't break out of that, like, really. Get on an hourly chart.
Okay. And hey, good morning, Troy.
Morning.
So look like we got a really, really early entry on this big push up.
Yeah.
Look like we got a continuation here. Got to be careful of it if it comes back down on us. But we got a nice little tail. We got a extended up tail here. Now it's a possibility that we can stall out and come down, but we're gonna try to follow this wave. It's a possibility that we can, we'll try to see if we can follow this wave.
So let's see what this 2 minute building up for us.
Uh-huh.
Come on. Don't care for how that ended, because that means a pullback. I should have got out when I saw it end like that.
Oh, yeah.
But it's okay, I could take the pullback, I guess.
Yeah, we too extended, man. I think we might have should have waited till maybe it do what it do. Come down, go up, come down, go up. But maybe too quick on the draw because
Okay, it looked like that 9 EMA just helped us. It looked like it's bouncing right off of it. Come on, are you gonna bounce off of it? You hit it and shot straight back up.
Nine o'clock candle usually is always a reversal candle, but taking it that we got a strong 8 o'clock candle, we may have a continuation. So we gonna try to shoot for the continuation. If not, then if we wrong, I'm not gonna let it gobble me up too bad, but
Yeah.
we'll get out of it if it get too far down, and just we'll wait for the next entry. But we'll just have to wait and see.
Mm-hmm.
See, that's the only thing that kind of bothers me about this. That 8 o'clock candle was just so strong. I would like to see a continuation to the upside.
Yeah. Let's see what it gives us.
Let's see what it gives us. See, we stalling out right here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we was a little too quick on the draw.
Yeah.
Because this may be the downward trend. We may be
Maybe on the wrong side.
maybe we might be on the wrong side.
Let's see though. Let's see.
You have to see. Yeah. So it look like we're on the
Let's
wrong
see if we pull
side.
up.
Because I am not gonna let it tackle me into a huge loss here.
Let's see though, babe.
Yep. Yep. I took that off.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, I took that off. I don't want to see it. It's coming down like that, and let's see what it do.
Let's wait till the 15-minute
Yep.
candle close out.
Let's see what it do.
Okay, so it did come back like by the
Yeah.
orb, the 23. Oh man, maybe we need to stay the hell off of these smaller time frames.
Yeah, I'm on a 1 hour.
Look at that
Oh,
shit.
son of a bitch.
That's what I said. We need to stay off the smaller
I'm on a higher
frame.
time frame too, and it's son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Ain't that something? On a smaller time frame, it was just correcting. You want for another long, or you want to wait?
I gotta wait now until it get a little. I gotta make sure that's what we going. Cause other than that, we just in this range here. You in?
No, not yet. Not yet. I'm not back in. Should have went on and let it run, but
I only got out because you said you was getting out.
oh yeah, I didn't like it at point, but again,
But we gotta know that the new hour candle, that could come down.
It could come down to the orb, yeah.
Yeah, to get a wick, and it looks like what it did. Yeah, see, I had that line right there. So I need that to go over that.
yeah. Let's see what we're looking at on the 1 minute. 1 minute consolidation, bruh.
Yeah.
1 minute consolidation. That's what we're looking at right here. 15 minute, 1 hour. Trick this out to trade a little bit. Trick this out to trade. What you gonna do?
We have 2 more minutes to this 15-minute candle
Yep.
finish.
Wait till the 15-minute candle finish out. And go from there. I mean, she just looked like she got a tail, man. This a nice little push up.
Yeah, we're gonna take a long. This the part.
This the part right here.
Because this what you wanna. You wanted to do all of that before it go in this direction.
Yep, you want to get a nice entry if you can, if it's going up.
Yeah, I just want to see price reach about the 360 area
Yep.
right there. Approaching.
Yep. Let's wait for that 15-minute candle come in, and then I'll make a decision on this long on the 15-minute candle. Don't want to get too much of a bad entry, but don't want to get a you know.
Honestly, there's no such thing as a bad entry right here because you in consolidation. Whichever
right
way it pops out, that's the perfect entry.
Yep. So right now it's just basically sitting right here. Okay, 15-minute candle come in.
And let me see how that last one ended. Oh, look how that one ended though. Look at that.
I'm back in for a long.
I don't care for how it ended.
You don't care for how it ended?
The last 15 minutes, the previous 15 minutes, I don't like how that candle is. That little red wiki.
Yeah.
Big candle, yeah. I don't care for it.
Yeah.
No.
Second long. Dang. Yeah, my second long.
I gotta wait, honey.
You gotta wait,
I don't like the way this looking.
Yeah. God damn it. I think I got caught. I'm in the consolidation right now. So
Wait though. Let's see.
I would probably live too quick on the draw myself. Yeah. See, I'm too quick on the draw.
Yeah, I saw how the 15-minute. I hurried up and clicked on the 15-minute chart and saw how that candle ended, and I didn't really care for it. It still may go up, but you're gonna get some pulling back right up in here. I don't know.
We may have a Fibonacci pullback on this one.
A retracement.
Yep. Yep.
Damn. I mean, it's a war.
It's a war, yeah. And I should wait it and till at least it start giving direction, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I should have waited till at least start giving direction. Because right now, it ain't giving no direction. It's just stuck right here, and I keep getting into this
And that's
this
your third
mess.
trade too, huh?
That's my second.
What's your third?
I have the second long.
I know, but we. Oh yeah, yeah, this session, yeah. Let's see, will it break up there? Come on, you can do it. Okay.
She just looked like she just want to push up so bad.
It's crazy because
That's
where I
crazy.
have that line at it, go to it and touch it and pull back down. Gotta get out of this area, man.
Yep.
Push up, push up, push up.
See, no volume, no momentum right now. It's just stuck right here.
Okay, look like we're trying to push up.
Yep. Troy said, I'm on the sideline today. I traded Asia yesterday, maxed out my drawdown, set to 1,000 on my funded. Yeah, that's one of the things I talked about in my videos is that you got to pick one session, just kind of stick to it or whatever. Asian, I had most of my losses is in the Asian session. Like I had most of my accounts is in Asian session. London session, you can forget about it. But Asian session, you definitely could get tore up in Asian session. So sorry to hear about that, Troy. Yeah, I just can't do Asian session. Long as you have your account, that's the key to the game.
It.
Because as long as you got your account, you can always save it. Like you can always build it back up. You know, I mean, it's easy to lose $1,000. It's hard to get it back. I ain't gonna lie to you. So it may take a few days to get it back. You know. Yep. It's like I said, it's easy to lose. That's for sure. Yeah, it's ping ponging right now.
Yeah.
This tells me that if eventually, if she doesn't do a continuation to the upside, she gonna do a massive drop.
Yeah. You think the
Yeah.
30 minute?
30 minute might push it. Yeah. Trust me, I know the feeling. The setbacks, whew, Troy, I know the feeling, bro. But they always say, as long as you ain't blow your account, you're not out of the game.
Right, that's it.
That's the key. You're not out of the game.
Count and save.
Long as the account is saved, you could have $100 left on that account. It ain't blown.
Yeah.
It ain't blown. So that is definitely the key to the game. I'm glad you found us, Troy, and stick with us, and we are, guess what? We can learn together. You know,
Yeah.
some things you can put in the comments that we may not know, and as you watch us trade, it may be something you see on the chart that we may not know. So,
And definitely, if you have questions,
questions, if you got
we'll
questions.
try and answer the best we can. But
Oh, he
feel
said
free to ask us anything, Troy.
Troy said he need three green days for a
Green
payout.
days, hey.
Yeah, and then you hit the $100,000 loss.
That's
Paul,
okay, but thank God for
that's right.
that.
The 3
Let's
days,
go for
that's the
that,
key.
yeah.
The 3 days, because you can lay up there and go back and hit like the 150, 200, right, and then come back, and then what you want to do is just keep building it up. That's all.
Yes.
Just build it up. Just keep building it up. And once you keep building it up, and you know, we talked about the higher time frames. As you can see, I'm on the 1 hour, and the 1 hour eliminates the noise, right? So it just helps out a lot. And when I right here, I got myself right there. Okay. Yeah, that looks like where I'm gonna probably tap out at right there.
Well, I'm at 502.
502.
Around
I'm
in
at
that
50,000, around almost the same area you. I'm at 30,511, but I need to probably go just a little tab lower because it could be a potential pivot point.
Okay. Right.
So, what are we doing here? We are following the 9 EMA right here. What is that? Yeah, it's the 9 EMA right here. So we following the 9 EMA going up, and my only issue is that we are a little, we're not too extended from the 200, you know. So that's the only thing. We're not too extended from the 200.
I would like to see this 30-minute move a little more before this candle ends.
A little pullback going on here. I'm usually on 1 minute because I like the speed. I mean, you know, I ain't gonna lie to you. We used to do minis, right? And we found that after blowing so many accounts using minis, we had to scale down. And the key to the game for us is risk management, right? Risk management and copy trading. So I promise you that you want the speed. I know you say you want the speed to try to get in and get out, but going very heavy like that, it not only does it, you know, rips your account to shreds, but it messes with your psychology too. You know, losing
Yeah.
$200 versus $1,000, you know, works. I mean, it's a whole lot better. I ain't gonna lie to you. And also, when you look at the higher time frame, you don't get to see all the noise. I think if you look at this trade, I think it's I mean, you don't have no choice but to go long. You got a long tail and upward trend. The previous candle was an upward trend. You know, now look like we may have a slow roll, but you know, yeah, the higher time frame is much smoother, Troy. Yeah, if you think about this, how we sitting up here looking at this 1 hour, right? We're not looking at the 1 minute. We're not looking at the 2 minute. Not looking at the 5 minute. We're not looking at. Well, I do have the 5 minute and the 2 minute on another chart, so I am peeking at it. Right. But my main focus is looking at this 1 hour. Now, if I start seeing a drastic drop, then I might consider getting out. But other than that, I'm gonna let it run. I mean, we go get his pullbacks now. You know, we go get the pullbacks. Troy said, I had to learn that the hard way for sure. Yeah, man, you definitely can learn. You'll learn a lot of things the hard way in this business, bro. You know, think about micros instead of minis. It'll help your psychology out a lot. You know, just remember that 10 micros is 1 mini. So you can go 5 micros, and if it's running, then you can add 5 micros to get you to the mini. But at least with the 5 or the 2 or the 3 micros, it doesn't put you at a big loss. And that is the key. You don't want to be at a big loss. Okay, we're going to pull back here. Pull back here.
Let's go.
Yep. And for me, you know, copy trading, that's just try to get this a little bit, Troy. Just a little bit. When you're copy trading, that's all you want. You just want a piece of the pie. That's right.
It. If you can make $300 or $400 on one play, if you copy trading 20 accounts.
20 accounts, right? Yeah. I mean, you think about it. You if you get $300 going across 15 or 20 accounts, there you go. You know, I mean, you make thousands of dollars. But what you have to focus on, and this is what we focus on, you know, is making the play, right?
Right. Not so much
the money, just making the play. You know, because you're going to have a bad day, you're going to have a good day, you're going to lose, you're going to win, you're going to lose, you're going to win. But this making the play, that's the key to our success in our journey, put it like that, our journey on getting better. Yep. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
And that's it. It's just when you're looking at the 1 hour chart, what do you see? It's boring. It's like nothing exciting happened. And that's the key. You wanted to be boring. You wanted to do what it do. You wanted to go up and down, and you see the hesitation and whatever, but you don't see the smaller time frames. The smaller time frames sometimes trick you out the trade unless you can program your mind to understand what's going on the smaller time frames. So yeah, so if you take a look at the smaller time frame, let's say the 1 minute, look at the 1 minute, right? You see all the red candles and all that, but do you see the trend, the 9 EMA, right? You see the 20 SMA. Now you got the 200 way down here. We're a little spread apart. There's the thing that's kind of concerning me, because we so spread apart up between the 20 and the 200. So this is why you got to be careful when you're looking at the 20 and the 200, I mean, we definitely spread apart. How far we go spread apart? This is why I got my take profit right. I don't think this go, you know, it's just one of those things. Now, I wish that the 200 was just a little closer to the 20, but we don't have that right now. And we look at the 2 minute, yeah, see, we got the 200 spread right there. We had the cross. And so if this 200 continue to move upward along with the 20, it make me feel a little more confident in this trade, keep moving. But right now, I'm sticking to the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is the one that's kind of got it going this way. But we just want to look a little bit to the right. We got to be careful in these areas. Let's see where we got pivot points at.
That's what I didn't check for.
We gotta see pivot points like right here. We got pivot points right here. We got a pivot point. Matter of fact, we about to hit a pivot point, but that's an upside pivot point. So we got a pivot point right here. We did pass one pivot point. We got another pivot point in this area right here. This is where I got my take profit. So we got a pivot point right there. So we just got to be careful looking at the pass on, you know, where we go at here.
Alrighty.
I mean, she's a slow mover. But hey, I read the slow mover than the no mover.
Right.
She,
As long as it's a steady move.
As long as it's a steady move.
Yeah.
Long as she a steady move, that's the whole thing. I mean, we have no kind of
Volume,
no kind of volume right now. And we 935. Shoot. And are we gonna do a 950 boom? Got a correction going on. Yeah, back testing definitely works.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a little drop here.
Well, extend this over. Alright, extend that over. Yeah.
I mean, you're looking at 30,000, around 30,500 around in this area. 30,500.
Maybe the target.
That may be the target if we don't get waked out first. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. She coming all the way back down.
That's a 9 MA right there.
Yeah. Yep. Is this 9 o'clock candle gonna be a doji candle? Shoo.
Yeah, this is just not moving how
It is not. I know.
Need to be moving.
Look at that. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Yeah. So we really need price to get back above about 438.
Yeah. What we gonna do here?
Okay, I'm looking to see. Look, I had this line just from all the way over here to before 9 o'clock. I want to make sure we're not breaking this. If we are, that's gonna turn to a doge. That's gonna be a red candle.
Red candle.
Or if not, okay, we getting a pin bar. We need a pin bar to engulf that last candle, and that may be a good setup for long.
Yeah.
But man, we were not green. Instead it's a red cross, a red indecisive candle. So that still mean to push up. You're still in for long, huh, honey?
Yeah. I'm still in for long. And 40 minutes after.
Yeah. Need to get above this 9 EME here.
Yep. She's stuck. She is stuck. She is stuck.
Oh no. Let's see, we're
Look at
approaching
that.
what's that? The 20?
Yep. We were approaching the 20.
Yeah. Let's see if we do if we reject that and bounced up. No.
Yep. Oh, wow.
Okay, it touched it. Will it
Yep.
reject it and push up? Let's go.
Look at that. This freaking doji candle here. We needed to go back up.
Over the 9 ME.
Over the 9 ME. Not under the eye. Up. She's definitely not doing what she got to do. It gets a little critical at this point. Phil, you think about, you don't want to get out the trade because you're thinking it might push back up, but you don't want to lose anything. You know, that's the problem.
It's crazy.
Yep.
Yeah. Look at that, an indecisive candle.
What you gonna do? Do you take trades on the 1 hour or the 1 minute? So we take trades on more of the 5 minute, not the 1 minute. We try to stay clear from the 1 minute because the 1 minute is something that is too noisy. We'll take trades on the 2 minute. So the 2 minute is probably where we'll take a trade between the 2 minute and the 5 minute, and then we'll look at the 1 hour to avoid the noise. So as you can see, it went all the way down to our entry, but now it's pushing back up. We got the 15-minute candle about to come in, and so we just got to be careful. That 15-minute candle might push us up, but if not, then we might have to make some decisions because we get too close to the top of the hour.
It's the previous one was green.
Yeah. So if we don't get that push up, we just have to just make some decisions on just go and take what we see and be done for the day. Definitely don't want to be in a trade after 10. So
yeah.
and she coming back down. So yeah. Yeah. I might just take this. And I let it come down on me.
Take all your earnings back, huh?
Yep, take all my earnings back. So here we go. Part of trading. It's part of trading.
It's coming back to 23%. Oh no.
Part of trading. Yeah, that candle came in and that was it.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at this. Shoosh.
That's terrible.
I know that's terrible. That's terrible.
Price action is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. And that is part of trading. You win some and you definitely lose some. But you have to have patience. Yeah. Oh man. This is definitely, she's coming down now.
Yeah. It done hit up that area
Yep.
and that's it. Oh, well, I don't know if that's it. Let me see what that look like.
I'm off.
Yeah.
Yep. I took that off.
Yeah. Okay, then I'm done too with mine. I'm off of what's this start me out?
Yeah. Yep. It went all the way up, came all the way down, and I didn't want to take too much of a loss. And so yeah, that's part of trading. You know, do you always wait to take profit or scratch when you see what you? Yeah, you know, usually I always just take the profits. But I mean, look, this 9 o'clock candle was doing okay, but we almost at the top of the hour. We ain't got no movement, and so yeah, I don't want to just take a huge loss here, and but we ain't had no movement here. So I'd rather take a light loss versus thinking that this thing will go all the way up to the top. Now the 10 o'clock candle might go up, but that's past our time. So, but yeah, you know, we done for the day, y'all. You know, I mean, you know, 3 trades. I got 1 win, 2 losses, and we go get ready for tomorrow. It's part of trading. You win some, you lose some. Try to knock out a recap video and go from there. All right, we're gonna see y'all tomorrow and later.